Well, of course, whenever we have fires going on in the west, and the one in California isn't alone, we've got another one in the northwest corner. There we go, of Canada. Now, as we look at our smoke tracker, keep in mind the smoke is being generated here, but our wind direction is favorable for carrying that quite the distance. So even though it is, well, the whole country away, we're starting to see some smoke here locally. Not a whole lot. We're in that lighter blue, so it leans more towards haze, but still it's enough at the ground level to basically do moderate air quality to finish out today. And just a quick peek ahead down the road shows that we might be dealing with again on Tuesday, as we're expecting the smoke tracker to be picking up some of that fine particulate matter as well. So that's something we're going to be keeping an eye on as we go into the week. Another thing, rounds of showers. That's in our forecast as well. They're not here yet, but we do have the clouds that are already setting the stage here downtown. And as we look ahead, we're going to start to bring in a coastal storm for tonight. It's not a big blockbuster system, but it does have the potential of bringing locally heavy rain that could lead to localized flooding. Now, this leads off an unsettled stretch that's going to be with us right through Thursday, and we're expecting very humid conditions that are going to be with us for the entirety of the upcoming week. Very muggy. So our current temperatures are in the 70s, even the 60s as we look towards easternmost Massachusetts. And as we look out towards Block Island, we have 74 downtown, 76 right now in Taunton. And our dew points are running mainly in the 60s. We do have occasional places that are enjoying dew points in the 50s, like out by Worcester and also throughout Bristol County, Mass. So right now, it's not too tough to take. It is literally the calm before the storm. And that also is our winds, calm along coastal areas, even right out to the block. We also have a calm wind right now in Smithfield. So here's where it all begins. We have the onset, the leading edge of the rain from the coastal storm backing into southern New England. And once the storm gets into our area in earnest, it's not going to go anywhere for a couple of days. So it is going to bring not only rain, but the potential of locally heavy rain. And there is even a slight chance that we could pick up a thunderstorm too as the system backs through the region. Who will see the most rain? Coastal areas. That's really going to be our sort of jackpot region as we go through the overnight in terms of heavy rain. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, it's going to be pretty much the same deal. Unsettled, chance of showers, chance of a thunderstorm. And we're just going to watch the air sort of swirl around where that coastal low just hangs out in the interior. So that's pretty much our deal. It's going to take until we get to midweek till a front comes through. And that's as we go Tuesday to Wednesday. That will help to move things along. But the front itself is going to take its time. So even though we get to a different air mass, the coastal storm will be with us for the first half of the week. This front comes through as we hit the second half of the week. It's still going to be unsettled all the way through, even though it's due to two different areas of low pressure. So I just wanted to mention this, easternmost areas of Mass, including the Cape, eastern Plymouth County, eastern Mass. We do have a rip current advisory, a high surf advisory rather, for a high rip current risk. Dangerous swimming conditions are expected as well as beach erosion. And this is for Monday in the morning right through Monday evening. But that is there. This is here. For tonight, we're expecting clouds, chance of showers, chance of a thunderstorm. Temperatures will be near 75. As we look to tomorrow, clouds, chance of showers, chance of an isolated thunderstorm. We're expecting temps that will be topping out in the 70s. And a look ahead at our extended forecast shows a big boost in heat and humidity coming our way as we finish the week and go into next weekend.
Humidity, that word is back again.
I know,
Okay.
I know. It's going to peak on Thursday. Our dew points will be like tropical levels on Thursday.
Ooh, tropical.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's going to be icky.
Grab the drinks with the fancy
Umbrella.
umbrella,
I
and then
love them.
take your real umbrella just in case this week off and on, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Let's toss things over to Ian.